In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make screen pump effect in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're just going to open in Davinci Resolve in your PC, and then you're going to make sure that you are in the editing section. After that, you're just going to import your media, and then you're going to drop your clips and audio to your timeline. After that, if I just play this clip normally, as you can see here, we don't have any pump effects, but I'm going to show you in a bit how you can create them. First of all, you're going to move your player to the place where you want to create your screen pump effect. In my case, I'm going to create my pump effect over here. And once you are at that place, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to move back 3 keyframes from here. And once you have done that, you're going to select your video. And then if you're not able to see this section over here, you are going to click on inspector element from the upper right side of your screen. After that, you're going to click on this keyframe next to zoom. And once you have done that, you're going to go 3 keyframes forward. Then you're again going to click on this keyframe next to zoom. And this time, you're going to select the zoom 1.2%. And once you have done that, you're going to go 3 keyframes furthermore. And in here, you're going to click on this keyframe next to zoom again. And in the third keyframe, we're going to move this zoom to back normal. So just type in here 1. Also, if you want to see the changes which you are making in your clip, first of all, you can just zoom out from your timeline and then you can click on this toggle keyframe. Now as you're able to see here that we added 3 keyframes. If we play our video after adding these keyframes, this is what we made. And as you can see here, we have a pretty decent screen pump effect in Davinci Resolve.